Welcome back, everybody. It's me. And in this breaking news, we're going to tell you about 1 minute ago, Cassie reveals what she saw inside Diddy's secret tunnels. This is absolutely insane. Make sure you stick around to the very end of this video when I'm going to show you exactly what she saw. Now, for those of you who are not aware, we've been covering the trial between Kim Porter's family and Sean Combs, also known as Puff Daddy or Diddy. This is basically Diddy being sued by Kim Porter's mother. The mother of Kim Porter passed away last year, and she named Diddy and some other people in her will to take care of her estate. However, Diddy was removed from that position shortly thereafter because he allegedly threatened the family. Now he's being sued for $180 million. But one of the things that they are saying he has is these secret tunnels that lead all throughout his home. So today in court, they brought out an ex-employee named Cassie. And I'm going to play you the clip right now of what she said in regards to the tunnels. But first, if you could take a second to like this video, that would be great. Also, if you're new here, subscribe and turn your notifications on. We drop new videos every single day. So if you want to stay up to date with the latest news, make sure you hit that subscribe button. But let's get into it. Here is what Cassie said in court. While testifying on behalf of the plaintiff, the former employee said she was called to Diddy's residence after his security discovered several intruders inside the home. She said she arrived there with her then-boyfriend, Mario Winans, who is the brother of music executive and producer Carvin Winans. Cassie explained she was responsible for maintaining the house and had keys to come and go as she pleased. It was on one of those occasions that she and Mario went through a secret passageway behind a bookshelf to access a tunnel. The tunnel led them to another part of the house where they found the intruders, she said. I believe it was a little bit further down the tunnel. There was a bookshelf that was in front of it. And once you moved the bookshelf, there was a set of stairs. And once you went down the stairs, that's when we found the guys in the basement, Cassie recalled. Cassie testified that she has seen 2 or 3 people use the tunnel, but never knew how long the tunnel actually was. She couldn't recall if there were any exits at the end of the tunnel, but said that she never went to the end of the tunnel. We didn't go all the way to the end of the tunnel. I stopped at the point where the guys were, she said. After discovering the men, she and Mario left through the front door and did not report the incident to police, she said. She testified that Diddy was not home at the time. Under cross-examination, Cassie admitted that she had no idea why the intruders had entered the home and acknowledged that it was not her place to ask. She also said she did not report the incident because it was not her house. I was just an employee. It wasn't my responsibility to report anything to the police. It was just an odd situation. I was confused about everything that was going on. After confirming that the incident happened between 5 and 7 years ago, Cassie was asked if she still believed that Diddy had secret tunnels. I know that there were passageways in the house that led to different areas, she replied. I don't know if they're still there. There you have it. That was the testimony from Diddy's ex-employee about these secret tunnels that he has in his house. Now, before I break down exactly what this means for Diddy, if you could take a second to like this video, that would be great. Also, if you're new here, subscribe and turn your notifications on. Like I said, we drop new videos every single day, so if you want to stay up to date with the latest news, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you don't know, we drop new videos every single day. We're talking breaking news, celebrity news, entertainment news, music news, you name it, we cover it here. So if you want to stay up to date with the latest news, make sure you hit that subscribe button. All right, so let's break this down. This is very interesting because Cassie basically confirmed that Diddy does have these secret tunnels in his mansion. Now, we've been saying this all along. We've been covering the story since the beginning. Diddy's mother confirmed it. She came out and said, yes, Diddy has these tunnels that go all throughout his property. However, the reason why this is so significant is because the judge said repeatedly that they could not bring up the tunnels, that they could not talk about the tunnels. And even earlier in the trial, they tried to bring up the tunnels and the judge stopped them dead in their tracks and told them that they cannot mention the tunnels. So the judge himself told Diddy's mom, "You're not allowed to speak about the tunnels." But now Cassie, Diddy's ex-employee, spoke about the tunnels. So I wonder what's going to happen there. Are they going to try to cut her testimony out? Are they going to try to edit her testimony? We don't know. But either way, she spoke about it and she basically said that she found a secret tunnel behind a bookshelf, which is insane. I mean, imagine having a bookshelf that opens up and leads to a tunnel. Who would have thought that was possible? And apparently, it's possible at Diddy's house. The crazy thing is, she said she only went a portion of the way down the tunnel. She did not go all the way to the end. So I'm assuming that there is more to the tunnel than what she's letting on. Either way, she said that there were intruders in the tunnel. So that's probably why Diddy has these secret tunnels, to keep people out or to get away from people. You know, kind of like a secret passageway like in the olden days. Maybe that's what he's trying to do. Maybe there's a secret passageway that goes all throughout his entire house. We just don't know. But she said that she found the intruders in the basement. Now somebody asked the question, how far in the basement? Because Diddy's basement is pretty big. I mean, we've seen pictures of the gym. He has a basketball court in his basement. He has a movie theater. There's all kinds of stuff in Diddy's basement. So how deep in the basement? We don't know. But I think this is very significant information for the court because now it's out there. The testimony is out there and the judge cannot unhear that. So now the judge has to decide whether or not he wants to penalize Diddy for having these secret tunnels. If you recall, Diddy's mom said that she actually put the tunnels in there because she didn't want people trespassing and getting into the house. But I guess that didn't work because these people were still able to find the tunnels and make their way into the house. I guess that's why Diddy is beefing with his mother, because she set up these secret passageways, these tunnels, and it didn't work. Maybe she needs to get fined for setting up these tunnels if they're deemed illegal. But we just don't know. But this is what we know. Cassie, Diddy's ex-employee, said that she saw the tunnels. She went down the bookshelf and saw the tunnels. She went down the stairs and saw the tunnels. And she also said that she found intruders in his basement, most likely using one of these secret passages. So maybe Diddy will be cleared on some of the stuff because she did say that she found the people in the basement, and I assume they were charged with trespassing. This is a lot of information to digest. We're going to continue to follow this story. I'm going to keep you updated with the latest. But let me know what you think about this down below. What do you think about the fact that Diddy has these secret tunnels and people are still able to find them? Leave your thoughts down below. Also, if you like this video, check out this video right here. I think you'll love it. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Have a great rest of your day. Take care.